dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the jeweler, I put rocks all in my watch. I like Texas from my
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to go ahead and jump straight into the video. The first step I do is I just color correct my dark marks that I have on my face. This is going to help camouflage it out under your foundation. That way it doesn't peek through. Then I'm just going to use a regular dark brown liner to fill in my eyebrows. I don't use any dip brow today, just a plain liner. And of course I'm using the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Warm Sun or Warm Sand to clean up my brows. After I clean up my brows and set and prime my eyelids, I'm going to blend out that concealer and set my eyelids with the airspun setting powder. So today I'm going to use a Morphe 35B dupe palette that I found on Amazon. I'm going to use the two green colors that's at the top, and I'm going to use a nude transition color from that palette. After I use that nude color as a transition color, I'm going to use that bright green color as a transition color too, but more so above crease color, and just use a fluffy brush, the same fluffy brush that I used for the transition color, and I'm going to apply that and blend that out. This palette was about $12, so I feel like it was definitely a steal. The colors show up pretty bright, vibrant if you prime your eyelids, and also if you just build it up. So at first it's not going to be a lot, but you just build it up, build the color up, you'll get a good payout from it. So when it's time to get and really dig into the crease, I get a more dense brush, and I am going to dig into the BH Cosmetics and get that green from that palette just to get a more like intense green. And I don't really want to talk the whole time, but everything that I use will be in the description box. But like I said, the only key that I can definitely say is to build the color up, and don't try to put a lot at one time. Just go slowly and build the color up, and make sure you just blend everything out. I do add black in to intensify the crease before I do cut the crease. This is my first time getting a cut crease at least a little bit right. One thing I realized, I have hooded eyes, so what I do is I put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids and then I look up, and that way it gives me like a blueprint of exactly where I should form my cut crease. And you guys should definitely use that if you have problems with your cut crease, trying to figure out where to start it. Well, I just want you guys to continue to enjoy watching the rest of the video, and I will talk to you guys later. Again, everything that you need to know will be in the description box. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.
Tell me you love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you're lucky, keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Come in at 6 in the morning. Where you been, where you been? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend, okay. How would you like it if I do the things you do? What you won't do, not disturb and entertain it, dude. How would you like it if I do the things you do? What you won't do, not disturb and
hey girl, bring it back, 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 back,
how would you like it? How would you like it? How would you like it?
hey girl, bring it back,
How
back,
would you like it? Would you like it? Would you like it? Would you like it? Would you like it?
bring it back, 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 girl, bring it back,
Because I know what I gotta do, what gotta do, what gotta do, what
hey girl, bring it back,
because I know what I gotta do, what give you a taste of your own medicine.
hey girl, bring it back, back. back, 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 bring it back, 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 back. Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back. Girl, bring it back, 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 back. Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back. Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back.
How would you like it if I do the things you do? Put you on, do not disturb and entertain it too. I'ma ride 'em crazy and you never have a clue. Give another guy everything that belongs to you. I'ma call up Brian, I'ma FaceTime Ryan, I'ma text Lorenzo and I'ma leave you crying. Don't get it twisted, I can play this game too. How would you like it if I did the same to you, yeah? Tell me you love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Come in at 6 in the morning. Where you been, where you been? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend, okay. How would you like it if I do the things you do? Put you on, do not disturb and entertain it too. How would you like it if I do the things you do? Put you on, do not disturb and
Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back. Hey girl, bring it back, 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 bring it back, 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 bring it back, 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 back. Girl, bring it back, 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 back. Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back.
give you a taste of your own medicine.
Hey girl, bring it back, 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 bring it back, 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 back. Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back. Girl, bring it back, 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 back. Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back. Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back.
How would you like it if I do the things you do? Put you on, do not disturb and entertain it too. I'ma ride 'em crazy and you never have a clue. Give another guy everything that belongs to you. I'ma call up Brian,